Hello everyone, welcome to the course. In this lecture, we're going to learn what is Python, its advantages, and in the end, I will show you how to install Python in your computer. Now, Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. And it has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and that's because it has many advantages. The most important benefits of using Python are its versatility, that's because it's easy to use and fast to develop. It's an open source programming language with a vibrant community, and it has also huge additional open source libraries. Python involves very less code and syntax is quite simple, which makes it easy to learn. All right, so let's quickly install Python. We're going to use the free Anaconda distribution. To begin with the installation, go to this path, anaconda.com. The look and feel of this website may change over the time, but the process should remain the same. Here, go to products and individual edition. Click on download, and it will take you to the end. Here we have several installation types. If you have Windows, you can click on any one of the installers based upon your system settings. If you have Mac OS, you can use any one of them based upon your system settings. If you have Linux, you can use any one of them. If we move slightly above these installation links, we also have some documentation here. Now, if I click on this documentation and if I move here, there is this installation link. And if we go to installing on Windows, this will show me all the steps involved in how to install Python, right? And that's a graphical representation, quite cool. So here, if we move a little down, you'll see that this snapshot will appear while you will be installing Python. All right. So here it's unchecked, and the system's Anaconda is saying that it's not recommended. However, I am recommending this setting because if you will click on it, then you can use Python in your command line. All right. So once you are done with installing Anaconda, and if you search in your computer for Anaconda, the screen will display something like this, a dashboard like this. And that's my Jupyter notebook where I'm going to code anything and everything in Python. All right. All right. So great going. I will see you in the next lecture with some more information on this. Thank you.